Okay, this was the turning point for me in my healing journey and in this journey of manifesting a new version of me and a new reality. I went through a period where I was feeling stuck, unmotivated, and stagnant. I felt really lost, and I felt like I once again was searching for my sense of purpose. And because I was feeling that way, I stopped all of the routines that made me feel good until I heard Joe Dispenza say this. He says, if you truly believed that your thoughts create your reality, would you even for a day miss a meditation? And for some reason, that hit me. I realized that as much as I knew that my thoughts create my reality, and I have had plenty of evidence of this, I've manifested many, many things in my life, but I find myself skipping meditations and other routines that make me feel good, like EFT tapping, journaling, scripting, and it made me realize that maybe there was a part of me deep down that just didn't believe it enough. Maybe my subconscious mind still does not fully believe that I'm the creator of my reality. Because Dr. Joe says if you truly believed that your thoughts create your personal reality, then you wouldn't want to miss a day of creating through your imagination. And that was enough for me to get back into my routine, my meditation, my tapping, scripting, journaling, because this work is not temporary. I know this now. This is something that you just keep doing, just like how you go to the gym to stay active and healthy. And I'm now realizing that there's no end to this inner work, and that's a good thing. Along the way, as you meditate and tap and journal, you will see shifts. And maybe those changes won't happen in a day or a week or a month, but they will come. And my job is to just keep doing the work and keep being consistent. So ask yourself this question. If you truly believed that your thoughts create your reality, would you keep making excuses for your life? Would you keep feeling sorry for yourself? Or would you just take action to move closer to your dream reality, your dream life? If you need help, I have a self-concept guide that you can download at the top of my profile page or at the link below if you're on YouTube. It's everything you need to begin this journey of changing who you are from within. It also includes more than 100 affirmations that will activate a new version of you. I guarantee that. Ask me any questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and follow for more.